7 Ways to Make Money Online. Making money online is a reality for thousands upon thousands of individuals. Now you too can make money online. Here are 7 ways you can do just that. 1. Social networking. Social networking has become very popular and many businesses are recognizing the value of making sure they have a solid social networking program in place. They will pay people to manage their social media and make regular posts. 2. CPA marketing. Cost per action or CPA marketing is much easier to make money on than affiliate marketing. As long as the person clicks the link and goes to the merchant site and carries out the action required, such as signing up for the newsletter, you will earn your commission. Most times there is no need to generate a sale in order to earn commission. What makes CPA marketing so lucrative is that no money has to be spent for you to earn money, and that makes it very attractive. 3. Sell your art or craft online. If you create stunning works of art or you love to craft, you can sell your wares on sites like Etsy, where you set your price, or eBay, where you auction off your items or set a fixed price. There are tons of other sites, so find the niche for your product. 4. Drop ship. There are tons of online sites that allow you to create a free storefront and be a drop shipper. You don't have to do anything but get the customer. The rest is taken care of by the provider. 5. Money exchangers. Convert online money through money exchangers. They take a fairly big cut when converting currencies. You need to have a storefront, you get to invest money, and you can do it all online with little hassle. A simple website, and you can start making money making conversions. 6. Job referrer. Unemployment numbers are staggering and it has never been more difficult to find a job. So here's a job opportunity for a few that want to make their living online. Sites like Referearns or WiseStepp will pay you for referring new employees. Refer the right person and earn up to $1,000. Wow! 7. Blog commenting. For a blog to rank well, there needs to be comments and interaction. Bloggers are busy creating blogs, so they will often hire a person to comment on their blog and generate good conversation that leads to sales. Out of 7 different ways to earn money online, one is bound to catch your interest.